Question number 14, paper 1, variant 2, June 2016. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line AB are 1 and 2. The length of line AB is 10 units. If the gradient of AB is 0, find the coordinates of A and B. Actually, we are given the midpoint, and suppose it is a graph, XY graph, and here it is a midpoint, it is 1, it is X is 1 and Y is 2. So the midpoint is this. It is 1 and 2 is the midpoint. And the length of the line 10 units. And if the gradient of line AB is 0, when the gradient is 0, if the gradient is equal to 0, mean line must be horizontal, no slope is there. So the line will be like this because there is no slope. So line will pass through y is equal to 2. And it is 10 units. So 5 units must be at the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is extreme value. So A must be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 here. It is minus 4, x minus 4 and y is 2. And the B must be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B must be 6 and 2. Since we are given the midpoint, we have found the extreme point A and B with the help of line which has gradient 0. So we can say that A is minus 4 and 2 and the B is 6 and 2. Now move to part B. If the gradient of line AB is 3 upon 4, find the coordinates of A and B. So if it is a line x-axis and it is x-axis, so the midpoint is 1, x1 and the y2. So if it is the midpoint and we have a slope 3 upon 4, slope basically m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it is change in y and it is change in x, delta y and delta x. So change in y is 3. So it is 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3, 4, 5. And change in y is, change in x is 4, plus 4. So here we start 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will become 5 here, 5, 4, 3, 2. So this point becomes 5, 5 and it is extreme point. So it is B and now it becomes 5 unit change and it is midpoint and it is change in Y. Change in Y is 3, this 3. So change in Y is 3 and change in X is 4. Now it is a 5 unit. When use Pythagoras, it becomes a right angle triangle. And the Pythagoras says this hypotenuse h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we use 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, it becomes h square is equal to under root 25. So h becomes 5. So it becomes 5 unit. Now we have to, it is a midpoint 1, 2, and now we have to move one more point so that we can find the A. Now to find the other point, we use 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 is 0, it is minus 1, it is minus 2 and it is minus 3. And 4 point to the, and the 3 to the change in y. So it is 1, 2 and 3 of minus 1. So this point is minus 3 minus 1. This is change in y and change in y it is 3 and it is change in x it is 4. So it also become this one and this one. So these two are equal, and it is 5, it is 5, it will become 10. So the point of A become minus 3 and minus 1, and B become 5 and 5. Still you face any problem, you will write in comment, I will reply you inshallah.